This is my quick review on the Good Funded Trader program. I don't know if that good stands for greatest of all times prop firms or it's just a name. So we're going to be looking into this prop firm to see if they are actually the good or the name doesn't resemble who they say they are. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ndemazeah, Godlove, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, business, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if this is your first time watching my content, or if you have been watching and you haven't subscribed, make sure you smash that red subscribe button to subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated anytime I come up with awesome content like this. So which prop firm are we going to be talking about again? The Good Funded Trader. Let's see if they're actually the good. The first thing we have our template which we use on any prop firm we want to review, and I'm the better person you can actually hear this review from because I have 8 years of experience when it comes to trading. And when I started trading, my first trading experience was with a prop firm before all these kids started forming prop firms and they don't even know how to run a business. So I know how prop firms model work. I know the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to prop firms. So I'm here to be able to incentivize you and let you know which one is actually there for your interest or which one can actually pay you out. So on our template, we're going to be talking about the jurisdictions, where is the prop firm located. We'll talk about the broker, spread and slippage. We'll talk about, we'll also mention if the prop firm is A book, B book, STP, or strictly simulated. Even when they say you are trading live, are you actually trading on a live account or a demo account? We'll talk about payouts. Do they actually pay out or people are complaining? That's also important. We'll talk about pricing. Then I'll be able to give you guys my personal take when it comes to this prop firm. All right, good. So just looking on their website, they have a very good, I like minimalistic website. So they have a very good minimalistic website, which is nice. At least the color content is good for my eyes. They've employed very good content creators. I used to see them on Instagram. That is good on the marketing side on their behalf. So just going through that website, they have a good website. I'll have to applaud them for that. Then good, that's that about their website. I always like to start with the website. Then let's go on the first jurisdiction. You can see we're able to even talk with them, and you can see here they are located in Spain. They are located on this island in Spain. That is the European Union. So just starting, I'm already starting on something which I don't usually recommend, because based on what happens to my happened to my Forex fund, we usually don't recommend prop firms that are located in US, Canada, or the European Union. But the European Union now is getting a little bit relaxed, so we can start working with prop firms that are located in the European Union. But it's a no-no if a prop firm is incorporated in the United States or Canada, because they have very strict financial regulations, and the same regulatory bodies that track down and ban my Forex fund, which was a good thing, might still be coming for these same prop firms, and you might lose your account just like I did. I lost $500,000 and $28,000 in pending payout when my Forex fund went down. So I lost that money, so that you shouldn't lose your money. So jurisdictions, yeah, they are located in the European Union, which is in Spain, and for now, prop firms in Spain, you can work with them. Then let's just start again. Or they have a Discord community, which is a very active Discord community. You can check their reviews on Trustpilot. Then let's talk about the broker. Which broker do they use? If you just go down, let's just quickly go down on I saw the section right here on the side, or the broker section. Let's see. So when it comes to the broker, they actually have Ting Market, which is Ting Market is a very regulated broker. So any prop firm that has 8 cap is regulated. Ting Market is very regulated, and Black Bull is also very, very regulated. So most of these prop firms that have these brokers, mean they can't directly manipulate your trade. They can't directly have any influence or cause any slippage or slip you to hell or anything. No, these are regulated brokers. So when it comes to the broker, they are using Ting Market, which is a good broker. You can even see their spread. They have an account there, which you can even have like a snippet. You can look into the spreads they are actually offering. So yeah, that's a good point. When it comes to that, they have a good broker. People don't complain of slippage. People don't complain of latencies. Then let's talk about if this broker, when you actually go live and they say live, is it just a live account in quote, or they'll actually give you the live account? So the good thing is we also contacted them on the DM. We spoke to their team, and they said even when you go live, 100% you're trading on a simulated account. So prop firms that just put all their clients 100% on a simulated account. I personally don't recommend these prop firms because that means if you have to make profits, they have to actually pay you those profits from their pocket or from money they got from other faith challenges. But prop firms that can A-book you, the more you are making money, they are happy because they are also making more money. They can copy your trade and they're not taking the money from their pocket to pay you. So that's just my take I'm already giving when it comes to that particular point. Then let's talk about price. They have the industrial standard, they have the industrial pricing, because let's just quickly go to a $100,000 is here. And if you check on the $100,000, one thing I also noticed is you actually have to, let me see, where is the monthly fees? You actually have to go to the next page before you can see the price. One thing which I want you guys, I want the funded, I know most of these, all of these prop firms, when I do reviews, they are the first people to watch. So the good funded trader, please, something you guys need to do on your website is the pricing should be there. I can't see the pricing until I go to I mustn't go to the next page. Some people, I don't have time, just like other traders. When we come here and I click on a $100,000 account, I want to be able to see the pricing right there. I don't need to be quaint on start challenge before I'm seeing the price on another page. So please include where is your price. I can't see your price. So let's just say if I click here and I open on another page before now, you'll be able to see the pricing. That is something which is just a turn off. You can see even here going down. Let me see. Okay, you can see the price is finally right down here. This is just so cumbersome. And remember, this industry there's too much competition now. And anytime there's competition, the consumers benefit. So we can speak now. We can put our wings up because you need to be able to do what we want. This is too much. You need to be able. We have to be able. We need to come here, and anytime we click on a $100,000 account, just tell your developer is easy. Just put the price there. It's even more than the industrial standard price. The industrial standard price shouldn't be above $100, but you guys are giving it for $512, but even at that, just let us know your pricing. All right, put the price right there. Just put it right there, 512. Or here where it says monthly fees, one-time fee, you would have just incorporated it there. I don't need to be going to another page. So remember, I'm only talking about things that are out of the normal. Any other thing which is just a normal in the industry, I'm just going to talk less on that, like the profit target, the minimum trading days, and all of that is standard. It's standard in the industry. And 99% of all these prop firms are just following the same system. So I'm not going to be talking about that over and over again. That is that about the pricing. Yes, their pricing is a little bit above the industrial standard. A $100,000 prop firm account ranges anywhere between $450 to $500. There are even some prop firms that offer like the funding pips or something. They offer even a $100,000 prop firm account for $399. So they are a little bit pricey, if I have to say on that. Then let's talk about payout. Yes, they have an option which is a plus for them. Remember, I'm talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to this prop firm. They have an option, you can see we also DM them, and they have an option which you can do what they call payout on demand, meaning as soon as you go live, you can request your payout as soon as after 24 hours. All right, you can request your payout as soon as after 24 hours, and after that, they have what they call bi-weekly. You can request another payout now after every 2 weeks. So that is a good thing. That's a plus. I applaud the good funded trader for that. That's something people have been looking for. Only few prop firms can offer that. So that's a plus for the funding for the good funded trader. So they're actually the good when it comes to that. That's good. I should be able to request my payout as soon as I place my first trade. You can see it's right there, 24 hours from first trade. Then after that, everything becomes bi-weekly. Then let's quickly talk about the normal in the industry. So every other thing, they have two faces. Like I always tell people, go for prop firms that have two. Anytime I do a review, I talk about two challenges. Don't go for one challenge. Don't go for instant funding. Please, one challenge and instant funding. No, don't go for any. No matter the prop firm you are trading with, it's a no. I'm talking about two-phase challenges because for reasons I've already explained on my previous videos, right? So for this particular one, their phase 1 target is just 8%, that's industrial standard. Phase 2 is 5%, that's industrial standard. Minimum trading days is unlimited. That's the industrial standard as well. Daily drawdown here, you can see is 5%. Maximum drawdown, this is when I give them now a thumb down, because the maximum drawdown in the industry is 10%. That's the industrial standard. This 2% difference can be the reason why you blow your account. This 2% difference can just be the reason you blow your account. So this the first thing, they are pricey. Their price is above, their $100,000 account is above $100. So that's already been pricey. Remember, I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review. So they are pricey. Then the next thing is their maximum drawdown is small. Anything below 10%, bro. The industrial standard is 10%. I can't trade with the prop firm that has a drawdown of less than 10%. Give me that opportunity. Give me that limit to prove to you guys that I can trade. Give me that limit to prove to even to myself that I can trade without just striking and limiting me to 8%. So that's very small. The industrial standard is 10%. Then trading period, no time limit here. That's industrial standard. Refundable fee is 500. Okay, the fee was actually there. But it has to be very, very visible. Please, it has to be very, very visible. So the refundable fee is $515. The leverage is a thumb up. They have a good leverage. Any prop firm that is having a leverage of 1:50, I don't recommend that. So 1:100 is the industrial standard. I know most of these prop firms, when they give too much leverage, many people tend to over leverage themselves, and it becomes on the back end management and cost effectively, it becomes a disadvantage to the prop firm. So I know the max they can give is 1:100. Then profit split starts from 80%. Then when they scale you up, you can even go up to 95%. So that is that about the good funded trader. So what is my take? The first thing I'll have to say, which at the day we were doing, is like these people, they could feel that we're actually doing a research on doing a review about them, because they just had this live chat about 3 days ago. I know they're going to be watching. They had they never had a live chat. They didn't have a live chat on their website, but they just had this live chat about 3 days ago when we were trying to do some research on them, ask some questions. The next day we were coming again to check on something. The live chat was there. So good, they have a live chat where they can be able to attend to people, answer your questions and stuff like that. So that's a good thing. Then the bad thing about them is the drawdown limit. The drawdown limits are very small. The industrial standard is 10%. Anything below that, I don't recommend. So that's that. Then now the plus about them is profit on demand or payout on demand. You can request your payout as early as 24 hours after you place your first trade on your live account. But the problem is, will you even be able to get to that level where you'll be able to request a payout? Because people can even say you can request your payout after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of placing a trade on your live account. But the question is, can you even be able to navigate up to the level of requesting that payout? They can be able to limit you, like you can see, they have a very a low drawdown. They have a 8% drawdown instead of 10% industrial standard. They are pricey. They are above $500, which the industrial standard is $400 to $500. So all these things are things you have to actually consider when choosing a prop firm. So that was my honest review. And personally, I would say, okay, I wouldn't buy a prop firm with the good funded trader for now until these few things are fixed. The first thing is they need to be able to have what? They need to be able to have drawdown limit on 10%. That's the first thing. And the second thing is the pricing, bro. This is return. This is an investment, and I'm looking for a return on investment. So $1 is very important for me. If you are going above $500, that's becoming pricey. So another thing is the pricing. Then another thing I'll also wait for them to do is to be able to at least STP some of their clients or put some of their clients on their e-books when they actually go live. Because I know I'm an exceptional trader, meaning if I'm trading with them and since they have 100% of their traders on a simulated environment, they are never going to send me to their live environment or even have my trades backed by live capital. So with that, I wouldn't be trading with a peace of mind knowing that if I make $100,000, this prop firm can come out with bullshit reasons just because they are removing the money from their pocket or the money is coming from other fee challenges and they are looking for reasons not to pay me. So that's another thing. If they have to fix that, then I'll continue, but I'll consider buying a prop firm with them in the future. So that was my honest review with a good funded trader. So are they actually the good? No, they are not the good for now until they fix these things before they can be the good in the industry. So check out the link below to be able to join my free Telegram community or my VIP Telegram community. If you want me to mentor you one-on-one, you want us to trade Zoom section, check out the link below to join Godlove University. And if you want to use Forex Pro, which is the most viral and the most profitable robot, which should be accepted by all these prop firms, then check out the link below to also use Forex Pro. You will see the list of my recommended brokers, list of my recommended prop firms on the video description. Check out those links and don't get scammed. Click here to watch a recent video I did about a particular prop firm. Also click here to watch a whole playlist that has all the prop firms with all the reviews. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on these other videos. Peace.